Americans are spending hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every year on AI subscriptions. But are these tools actually worth the money in 2026, or is it all just hype? I decided to find out. I went ahead and tested the 5 most popular AI tools that professionals, students, and freelancers are using every single day. We're going to dive into ChatGPT, Notion AI, Grammarly, Midjourney, and Microsoft Copilot. I'll show you exactly how they perform on real-world tasks. And by the end of this video, you'll know which ones are a smart investment, and which ones you can probably skip. Let's get into it. First up, the one that started it all, ChatGPT. We're looking at both the free version, 3.5, and the paid version, GPT-4. Let's start with a common task, writing a professional email. I asked it to draft an email to a client, apologizing for a project delay and proposing a new timeline. GPT 3.5 gave me a decent, though slightly generic draft. It was usable, but needed some personality. GPT-4, on the other hand, nailed the tone. It was empathetic, professional, and structured the new timeline perfectly. It even suggested adding a small discount as a gesture of goodwill. That's a pro move. Next, I tried something more complex, creating a content strategy outline for a new YouTube channel. Again, GPT 3.5 provided a basic list of ideas. It was okay for brainstorming, but not a full strategy. GPT-4, however, delivered a comprehensive plan, including target audience analysis, content pillar suggestions, a posting schedule, and even title ideas optimized for search. The difference was night and day. My verdict on ChatGPT? For simple, quick tasks like rephrasing a sentence or getting a basic idea, the free version is fine. But for anyone serious about using AI for professional work, school projects, or business, GPT-4 is an absolute game changer. The depth of understanding, creativity, and nuance it provides is leagues ahead. Is it worth the $20 a month? For the sheer productivity boost it offers, I'm going to say a resounding yes. It's like having a brilliant assistant on call 24/7, so ChatGPT Plus is definitely worth it. Next, let's talk about Notion AI. If you're already living inside Notion like I am, organizing your life and work, this seems like a no-brainer. It promises to integrate AI seamlessly into your existing workflows. I tested it on 3 key features: summarizing long documents, brainstorming ideas, and drafting content directly within a page. For summarizing, it's fantastic. I dropped a 10-page research report into a Notion page, hit summarize, and within seconds, I had a concise, bullet-pointed summary that captured all the key findings. This feature alone is a massive time saver for students and researchers. Then I tried brainstorming. Inside my project plan for this video, I asked Notion AI to brainstorm 5 alternative video titles. The suggestions were solid and contextually aware, clearly pulling from the other content on the page. It felt very integrated. Finally, I tried drafting a blog post outline. The quality was comparable to GPT 3.5 good, but not mind-blowing. It creates a solid foundation, but you'll need to do some heavy editing to make it shine. So the verdict on Notion AI? If you are a heavy Notion user, it's 100% worth the $10 a month. The convenience of having AI built directly into your workspace is undeniable. The summarizing feature is a standout. However, if you don't use Notion, this isn't the tool that will convert you. Its main strength is its integration. For non-Notion users, you're better off sticking with a more powerful, standalone tool. So for Notion lovers, it's worth it. For everyone else, probably not. Alright, let's move on to Grammarly. Many of us have been using its free version for years to catch typos and basic grammar mistakes. But is the premium version, with its advanced suggestions on tone, clarity, and style, worth the subscription fee? I took a resume I was working on and ran it through Grammarly Premium. The free version caught a couple of spelling errors, which is great, but Premium went so much deeper. It suggested rephrasing sentences for more impact, flagged passive voice, and even offered alternative word choices to sound more confident. For instance, instead of helped with a project, it suggested spearheaded a project. That small change makes a huge difference to a recruiter. Then I used it on a work report. Grammarly Premium has a feature where you can set goals for your audience and tone. I set it to expert audience and confident tone. It immediately flagged jargon that might be unclear and suggested ways to make my arguments more direct and persuasive. It felt like having an editor looking over my shoulder. My verdict on Grammarly Premium? If you write anything that matters, emails to your boss, essays for school, your resume, or client proposals, then yes, Premium is absolutely worth it. It moves beyond just correcting mistakes and actively helps you become a better, more effective writer. It helps you communicate exactly what you mean in the best way possible. While the free version is a must-have for everyone, the power of Premium is in its ability to elevate your writing. It's a definite worth it from me. Now for something completely different, Midjourney. This is a text-to-image AI that creates incredible, photorealistic, and artistic images from simple prompts. Unlike the others, this is purely about visual creation. To test it, I tried creating a thumbnail for this very YouTube video. My prompt was something like futuristic AI robot looking thoughtfully at a computer screen, cinematic lighting, hyper-realistic. Within a minute, Midjourney generated 4 stunning options. The level of detail, the lighting, the composition, it was all professional quality. Tweaking the prompts allowed me to refine the image until it was perfect. Next, I tried creating some custom graphics for a business presentation. I needed icons that matched our brand style. I described the style, minimalist, clean lines, blue and white color palette, and the objects I needed icons for. Again, Midjourney delivered a cohesive set of high-quality graphics that looked custom-made. This would have taken a graphic designer hours, if not days. The verdict on Midjourney? This one is a bit more nuanced. If you are a content creator, marketer, designer, or anyone who regularly needs high-quality, custom visuals, Midjourney is an absolute revolution. The power to create exactly the image you have in your head is priceless and can save you a fortune on stock photography and design fees. For you, it's 100% worth it. However, if you're a student who just needs a picture for a PowerPoint slide once in a while, or a professional who rarely works with visuals, then it's probably overkill. You can likely find what you need on free stock photo sites. So for visual professionals, it's worth it. For everyone else, it's a cool toy but not a necessary expense. Finally, we have Microsoft Copilot. This is Microsoft's answer to ChatGPT, integrated deeply into the Windows operating system and Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I tested Copilot in PowerPoint first. I gave it a simple prompt: create a 10-slide presentation about the benefits of remote work with a professional design. It generated a full presentation, complete with a title slide, bullet points on each slide, and even some AI-generated images. The content was a bit basic, but as a starting point, it was incredible. It saved me at least an hour of setup and design work. Then I jumped into Excel, which is where things get really interesting. I had a huge dataset of sales figures. I asked Copilot, analyze this data to find the top-selling product by region and create a chart. In seconds, it processed thousands of rows, identified the trends, and generated a perfect pivot chart visualizing the data. For anyone who struggles with complex Excel formulas, this feature alone could be worth the price of admission. It basically automates data analysis. My verdict on Microsoft Copilot? If your work life revolves around the Microsoft Office suite, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, then Copilot is a must-have. It's a massive productivity multiplier. The integration is seamless and the tasks it can automate are genuinely time-consuming. The $30 monthly price tag is steep, but for a business professional, the time it saves could easily justify the cost. However, if you're not deeply embedded in the Microsoft ecosystem, maybe use Google Workspace or other tools, then its value diminishes significantly. So for heavy Microsoft 365 users, it is absolutely worth it. For others, stick to the other tools on this list. So after testing these 5 major AI tools, what's the final takeaway? The answer to are they worth it? It depends on who you are. For general purpose power and creativity, ChatGPT 4 is the undisputed champion and worth it for almost any professional. For writers and communicators, Grammarly Premium is an essential tool for elevating your work. If you're a visual creator, Midjourney will change the way you work. And for those living in their respective ecosystems, Notion AI and Microsoft Copilot offer incredible integrated convenience. The key is to identify your specific needs and choose the tool that serves you best, rather than just subscribing to everything. AI is not a magic bullet, but the right AI tool can feel pretty close. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this breakdown helps you decide which AI tools are right for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments which AI tools you were using and if you think they were worth the money. See you in the next one.